Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by ensuring the device is ready, unlocked, charged, and signed into the Google account you use for backups. Once done, open Settings and navigate to System or General Management depending on your phone. Tap Backup or Reset options to locate Restore features. Make sure you have Wi-Fi connected. Restoring can use large data. You're taking these steps first because a stable account and power state prevent interruptions and ensure the correct backup is available to restore. Next, select Restore from Backup or Automatic Restore within the Backup menu. You'll see available backups listed by device name and date. Pick the most recent one you trust. Then choose which categories to restore: apps, contacts, system settings, etc., because you might not want everything. Grant any requested permissions to proceed. Make sure to leave the phone on Wi-Fi and plugged in. Restoring system settings and apps can take significant time, so be patient while items download and reapply. Finally, reboot your device after the restore finishes to ensure system settings apply correctly. Once it restarts, verify key settings, Wi-Fi, display, accounts, and notifications, and sign back into apps. You may need to re-enable two-factor authentication for security. If something didn't restore, check the Google account used, confirm stable Wi-Fi, and free up storage space. Then retry the restore. One key troubleshooting tip: if restore fails repeatedly, try restoring a smaller.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.